Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Babsy Goes Vintage in English. If you speak French, don't forget to go check my French channel so you will see how funny I am in French. Guys, if you like vintage and second-hand handbags, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm sure you will love my content. Today I came to do a little unboxing, something I really want to unbox to make it official, to show you guys so I can wear it. Because you guys know if I don't do the official, video, I'm not going to wear the bag. And this bag is way too beautiful to stay in a box. So let me show it to you. As always, my little Chanel bag for a little, not Chanel bag, but Chanel box for a little unboxing moment. This bag didn't came with a box and didn't came with dust bag, but I don't care. I just want the bag. I need the bag, and it's a bag I was, looking for since a zillion years. It's a color, you will see, that it's really hard to find because it's yellow. I love it. Guys, can you see that? It's a little bit, okay, maybe like this you will be able to see it better because it's a little bit green in the screen, but no, the bag is yellow with silver hardware. So this is Chanel medium double flap in a lambskin, and the lambskin is so soft. I love it. Look how amazing the bag is inside. It came with the authenticity card. As you can see, it starts with 13 and it's an 8-digit code. So this is cool. And what can I say? I was really looking for a yellow classic flap. I have my yellow denim maxi, but it's a very casual bag and it's bigger, of course. And I really wanted to add a classic flap to my collection. I was able to find this baby on a Swiss website, myprivateboutique.ch, and it's a Swiss website, but there is a lot of international sellers that put their bags on this platform, and then if you live in Switzerland, you can buy and it's shipped to your house and you don't have to pay custom taxes, etc. So it's super cool. I bought this a little bit before Christmas, so I can say this is my Christmas from me to me, my Christmas present. And I paid for it $3,500, which is spice but still sweet price for this color. If you guys collect Chanel bags as I do, you know how much, how hard it is to find, a great condition color Chanel bag. It's really hard, and now my collection is, it's almost like done. I just need to add like a purple, white, or a beige, and then my collection will be okay. It's done. We close the doors. So this is cool. So I'm really hunting the last Pokemons, and the pink, like a fuchsia pink. I need one. But yeah, so I was quite happy to find it just before Christmas, and I was a little bit scared and upset because the seller, put the bag on eBay. I saw it in the next day once I have purchased the bag, and it was listed for 2,800, and I was like, it's 500 less. I was like, oh, if I knew it was going to pop up on eBay, I wouldn't have buy it. And I was a little bit scared that my purchase on my private boutique would be cancelled if someone bought it on eBay. A few hours later, the bag got sold on eBay, but I received, the confirmation of the bag. So this is cool because it means, it was for me, even if I paid more. But it's okay. I'm fine. I'm super happy. And yes, my wish for 2023 is, of course, I still find deals, I still find bags. I'm like, oh my God, I want it, blah, blah, blah. But there is a little voice now that tells me, stop buying every bag you see, stop buying every deal you see, because you need, to stop. You just need to complete your collection with, I think, with 5 to 6 bags, my Chanel collection will be complete. It's a little bit exaggerated to say that, but let's see what will happen. But yes, I really wanna maybe by 2024, 2025, stop buying a zillion bags per year. In 2020, I think I bought 20 Chanel bags in a year. 20 Chanel bags. Just Chanel. I'm not talking about Dior, Gucci, etc. So it's a lot of bags. It's a lot of money, of course. So now I'm really not trying to stay calm and really try to find the last Pokemons and yeah, buy less. I think if I buy 1 or 2 or 3 bags per year, it's acceptable and it's enough. I have so many bags. I could do an entire video of 2 hours long with bags I have never worn because I buy them, I keep them, in a box something, and I never wear them, and this is not healthy and I really want to stop that. I can say that my mindset in 2023 about bags changed a little bit. I'm really, as you guys know, I have a lot of New Year's resolutions and I'm so focused on them that I am a little bit less focused on bags and trying to find deals, etc., which is great in a certain way, because this spending habits, it's not really healthy. And I have way too many things, but still, I still love Chanel. If, yes, I find a really beautiful, colorful, or in a color Chanel bag, I will try to get it, because I think I have enough black bags. I still have some black bags to unbox with you. But I think this little, I don't know how I'm gonna call this one, mimosa, or I know I was calling this marguerite because it's yellow. I don't know if it's a good name, but guys, let me know what you think about this one. I think it's pretty. Can't wait to wear it during summer. I think it's gonna be my go-to bag because it's so pretty. I just can't wait. Guys, let me know what you thought about this bag in the comment box down below. And I see you in my next video for more vintage and second-hand infos and unboxings too. Je vous fais des gros bisous et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye!